How to fix PNP underscore detected underscore fatal underscore error in Windows 10. To fix PNP underscore detected underscore fatal underscore error in Windows 10, try 1. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or roll / uninstall drivers. 2. Boot the computer in safe mode and clean boot mode and see if PNP underscore detected underscore fatal underscore error was caused by some installed program. 3. Use Startup Repair in Windows 10 Advanced Options. 4. Run SFC and DISM to check for corrupt system files, admin mode. 5. Back up your data, then run System Restore.